In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data to users with custom user properties in HubSpot. If you've ever wanted to store extra details about your team, like job roles, departments, or regions, custom user properties are the way to do it. These properties live on the user record, so you can keep your internal data organized and consistent across your HubSpot account. Let's start in your HubSpot account. In the top right, click the Settings icon, the little gear. On the left sidebar, navigate to Data Management, then select Properties. This is where all properties across your account are managed. At the top, open the Select an Object dropdown and choose User. This tells HubSpot you're creating a property specifically for user records, not contacts or companies. Now click Create Property. Give your property a clear, descriptive label such as job role, department, or region. Good naming helps your team understand exactly what should be stored there. Next, choose the field type. You can make it a single-line text field if you want free-form entries, or pick a drop-down select to keep choices standardized and prevent typos. Checkboxes are useful when a user might have more than one value, while a date picker or number field works for time-based or numeric data. When you're happy with the selection, click Next. You'll see a quick review of the settings, confirm the label and field type look right, and consider whether the property should be required in places where that applies. When everything is set, click Create. Your custom user property is now available on User Profiles. To add data to a specific user, head back to Settings, then go to Users and Teams and choose Users. Click a user's name to open their profile. On that profile, locate the custom user property you just created. Enter the appropriate value, like selecting a region from your dropdown or typing the job role, and then click Save. Keeping values consistent is key, so use standardized formats and agreed-upon naming conventions across your team. That's the whole process. Create a user-level property, pick the right field type for clean data, and then populate it on the user's profile. This small setup pays off by making permissions, reporting, and team organization much cleaner. If you don't see the property or can't edit it, double-check that you're viewing the user object and that you have the right permissions to manage properties and users, and that's how you add data to users with custom user properties in HubSpot. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.